Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Shoaib Ahmad. Today I am going to discuss about the past paper of MEPCO test Part-8 for junior engineer position which were conducted by NTS in 2015. We have already completed 70 MCQs. Now we come to the question number 71. Dash is multiplication of RMS voltage and current. The correct answer is C. Apparent power. Now we come to the question number 72. In relation to transformer, the ratio of 20 to 1 indicates that there is a 4 option. The correct answer is D. For every 20 turns on primary, there is 1 turn on secondary. Now we come to the question number 73. Which configuration can be used to convert high impedance into low impedance by using operational amplifier? There are the 4 options. The correct answer is D. Voltage follower. What do you mean by voltage follower? A voltage follower is also known as unity gain amplifier, a voltage buffer, or an isolation amplifier. In a voltage follower circuit, the output voltage is equal to input voltage, thus it has a gain of 1 and does not amplify the incoming signal. This is about voltage follower. Now we come to the question number 74. Dash is maximum when RLC circuit is in resonance. There is a 4 option. The correct answer is A. Power dissipation. Now we come to the question number 75. Voltage for bias of silicon. There's a 3 option. The correct answer is A. 0.7. Now we come to the question number 76. Common base when referred to FET will be. There is 3 options. The correct answer is A. Common gate. Now we come to the question number 77. 4 wires are available in which system? There is a 4 option. The correct answer is A. Star. Now we come to the question number 78. The CMRR should be dash for better noise cancellation in operational amplifier. The correct answer is A. High. The CMMR is given in decibel, and the higher the CMMR value is, the better. Now we come to the question number 79. In which oscillator oscillation frequency can be controlled by variable DC voltage? The correct answer is voltage control oscillator. A voltage control oscillator is an oscillator circuit whose frequency can be controlled or varied by a DC input voltage. This type of circuit is also called a voltage to frequency converter, VFC. Now we come to the question number 80. Diode limiter are used to. There are 3 options. The correct answer is C, both A and B. The diode clipper, also known as a diode limiter, is a wave shaping circuit that takes an input waveform and clips or cuts off its top half, bottom half, or both halves together. This diode clipping of the input signal produces an output waveform that resembles a flattened version of the input. Now we come to the question number 81. The VI characteristics of UJT is, there is a four option. The correct answer is C, similar to tunnel diode in some respects. Now you can see the unipolar junction transistor UJT. A UJT is a three-terminal semiconductor switching device. This device has a unique characteristics that when it is triggered, the emitter current increases regeneratively until it is limited by the emitter power supply. Due to this characteristics, the UJT can be employed in a variety of applications, for example, switching pulse generator, sawtooth generators. Now you can see the construction of UJT. The figure shows the structure of unijunction transistor. It consists of N-type silicon, this is N-type silicon, bar with an electrical connection on each end. The leads to these connections are called base leads, base 1B1 and base B2. This is base B1, this is base B2. Part away along the bar between the two bases near to B2, then B1. The emitter is near to B2. A PN junction is formed between P-type emitter and the bar. The lead to this junction is called emitter lead E. This is emitter lead E, which is formed junction. This is the symbol of the UJT, in which B1 base, B2 and E emitter. Since the device has one PN junction and three leads, it is commonly called UJT. With only one PN junction, a device is really a form of diode because of the two bases taken from one section of the diode. The device is also called a double base diode. The emitter is heavily doped, having many holes. The N region is lightly doped. Now you can see the UJT characteristics in this figure. This figure shows the curve between emitter voltage and emitter current of a UJT at a given voltage VBB between the bases. These is known as the emitter characteristics of UJT. Initially the cutoff region as V increase from 0, slightly leakage current flow from terminal B to the emitter. This current is due to minority carriers in the reverse bias diode. Above a certain value of VE, forward IE began to flow, increasing until the peak voltage VP and peak voltage VP and IV current. IP are reached at point P. After the peak point P, an attempt to increase VE is followed by a sudden increase in a emitter current IE with a corresponding decrease in VE. This is a negative resistance portion of the curve because of an increase in IE. VE decreases. The device therefore has a negative resistance region that is stable enough to be used with a great deal of reliability in a many areas. For example, trigger circuits, sawtooth generators, biasing circuits. The negative portion of the curve lasts until valley point. Valley point V is reached with valley point voltage V and valley point current IV. After the valley point, the device is driven to saturation. So you can see the device into the saturation region. This is all about the construction of UJT and its symbol and its characteristics. Now we come to the question number 82. Which instrument cannot be used for the DC measurement? There is a three option. The correct answer is C. Why are moving iron instrument not used for DC? The main advantage of moving iron instrument is that it can measure AC as well as DC quantities. Though this instrument is responsive to DC, it suffers from hysteresis error which causes an appreciable error in the measurement of DC. Therefore, it is really used for DC applications. Now we come to the question number 83. If the admittance of the parallel circuit is increased, the circuit current dash. There is a four option. The correct answer is A. Increase. If the admittance of a parallel AC circuit is increased, the circuit current is increased. Admittance is the reciprocal of the impedance. In electrical engineering, admittance is a measure of how easily a circuit or device will allow a current to flow. It is defined as the reciprocal of impedance, analogies to how conductance and resistance are defined. Admittance is defined as a measure of how easily a circuit or device will allow current to flow through it. In AC circuit, in addition to the resistance to impeding mechanism, inductance and capacitance have to be considered. Now we come to the question number 84. The mutual flux of the two coil is zero when the flux dash. The correct answer is C. Right angle. I have compiled all these MCQ in one PDF file and its links are given in description. You can easily download and you can easily prepare for upcoming MEPCO tests. Thanks for watching video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get new videos updates.